If you've been following bridal trends lately, you've probably seen this everywhere. Crinkled texture in tulle is having a moment, especially in bridal scarves, capes, and veils. So today I'm going to be doing that with a few silk tools. Follow along.
Each veil that I make is the beginning of this family's legacy.
So I'm doing this piece for a bride who wants a crinkle effect for her scarf to match the texture of her wedding dress, and we're just twisting the fabric over and over, securing it with some rubber bands, getting it as tightly woven as possible. I found this to be the most time-consuming part of the process. And if you want extra firm creases, you can use a fabric stiffener or liquid starch spray. It's going to end up looking something like this, but for me, I really wanted to keep the fabric super soft and with that silky drape still. So I wet down the fabric, and now we are going to work on pressing it with iron. Make sure to test this. I had a couple of mishaps with the heat being a little bit too high, so make sure you test it on a scrap piece of fabric first. Make sure you're not doing it too high to get those rubber bands. This is just going to set the fabric and make sure that it stays perfectly creased with that beautiful texture. I let it dry like this overnight because I wanted to make sure that it was completely set, and then I removed all those rubber bands, unfold, unwind. Sometimes I found that I just had to snip those rubber bands because I had them very, very tight on there and I didn't want to damage the fabric. So I unwound the beautiful tulle, and the finished effect was quite lovely. I'm excited to see it on the bride. It's going to complement her basket waist wedding dress really well. She has an interesting texture to her gown, so this is going to be just a stunning way of adding that elevated look. Check out the description if you would like some free samples, or if you'd like to design your wedding accessory with me, and happy crafting.